presenting the globe's inaugural LFP battery that attains an astonishing reach of 620 miles or 1,000 kilometers on just one charge. The era of hollow pledges and disappointing results is now behind us. This battery transforms bold assertions into reality through its groundbreaking 4C super fast charging capability, delivering what was previously deemed unattainable. Eager to delve into the specifics of this transformative advancement, let us examine the astounding attributes of the Shenxing Plus LFP battery that are sure to impress you. If you are liking this material, remember to press the subscribe button and activate notifications to ensure you are always informed about our newest releases. Introducing the Shenxing Plus lithium iron phosphate battery, a wonder emerging directly from the advanced laboratories of contemporary Amperex Technology Company Limited, or CAT, located in Ningde, Fujian Province, China, making its first appearance at Auto China 2024 in Beijing. This pioneering battery became the center of attention, seizing global interest, and for good reason. It unites every quality an electric vehicle battery should possess: rapid, highly effective, and enduring, while featuring an unequaled range. But exactly how potent and efficient is it? Get ready to be thoroughly impressed. CATL proudly revealed the Shenxing Plus as the very first LFP battery able to surpass a staggering 1,000 kilometers or 620 miles on a single charge. Envision this. You could travel directly from Beijing to Nanjing without even considering a stop to recharge. The figures are truly remarkable. However, let us contextualize this. Consider the 2024 Lucid Air, for instance, presently regarded as the electric vehicle with the longest range available. Its notable 660 kilometers or 410 miles range is certainly an achievement. But when compared side by side with the Shenxing Plus, the Lucid Air's abilities suddenly appear conservative. Picture driving an additional 340 kilometers or 210 miles beyond what the Lucid Air provides, all without requiring a plug-in. It is a progressive jump that reshapes the potential of electric vehicles. And now, here is another characteristic that places an additional advantage atop its already impressive abilities: the battery's charging velocity. Imagine that in merely 10 minutes, your automobile is charged sufficiently to travel an amazing 600 kilometers or approximately 400 miles. It seems unbelievable, correct? Yet the Shenxing Plus LFP battery has realized this with its 4C superfast charging technology. This indicates that in just 10 minutes of charging, you can attain a range that most electric vehicles find difficult to offer on a complete charge. What is even more startling is that even under severe temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius or -4 degrees Fahrenheit, this new battery provides super fast charging. This advancement tackles one of the most difficult problems in the electric vehicle industry: charging effectiveness in cold climates. Conventional lithium-ion batteries encounter substantial performance declines in chilly conditions, which can greatly impact their charging capability and driving range. Nevertheless, the Shenxing Plus LFP battery preserves its superior charging abilities and range performance, irrespective of the climate. So, what does the company state regarding the Shenxing Plus LFP battery? According to CATL, the Shenxing Plus is the outcome of continuous technological advancements. What distinguishes this battery is its cathode. Manufactured using granular gradation technology, this sophisticated method positions every nanometer-scale particle in the ideal location, yielding ultra-high compact density. But that is not everything. The anode is not left behind in the race for innovation. It incorporates a proprietary 3D honeycomb-shaped material that not only increases energy density, but also manages volume expansion during the charge and discharge processes. This approach to battery construction is what renders the Shenxing Plus genuinely revolutionary. The Shenxing Plus LFP battery distinguishes itself from the competition, and there is an additional unexpected development: the single-piece casing, an industry first that maximizes internal space utilization. This design enables the cells to reach an unmatched degree of energy density. Envision all these components uniting to create a battery that is quicker, more efficient, and provides an unequaled range. Pause and consider this. A fast lithium-ion conductive coating, together with the incorporation of transition metal elements and a revolutionary nanometer-level encapsulation. This combination is the secret that allows smoother and more efficient energy transfer between cathode and anode materials. Crossing this barrier is particularly significant for LFP-based batteries, which have traditionally lagged behind other chemistries in energy density. This milestone demonstrates that thoughtful engineering and advanced materials can overcome long-standing limitations once considered inherent to the technology. The implications of this leap in energy density are transformative for the electric vehicle industry. Higher energy density directly translates into longer driving range without increasing battery size or vehicle weight. With this system-level performance, the long-held ambition of traveling more than 1,000 kilometers or approximately 620 miles on a single charge moves from theoretical possibility to practical reality. This breakthrough marks the beginning of a new era for electric vehicles, one where range anxiety becomes increasingly irrelevant and electric mobility can confidently rival and even surpass the convenience of traditional internal combustion vehicles. So this brings together everything currently known about the Shenseng Plus LFP battery. Taken as a whole, these disclosures paint a compelling picture of a technology that may redefine expectations within the electric vehicle industry. With its advancements in charging speed, efficiency, safety, and overall performance, the Shenseng Plus LFP battery appears to set a new benchmark for what lithium iron phosphate batteries can achieve.
Tesla, GM, BYD, and several other major automakers were reportedly taken by surprise. Years of large investments in supply contracts, mining operations, and battery factories suddenly appeared less future-proof, because this new battery chemistry follows a very different path. It does not rely on lithium extraction in South America or cobalt sourcing in Central Africa. Instead, it is built around aluminum, a material that is widely available and globally accessible. Here is the key point. The claim of a 1,000-mile range with a 5-minute charge was not based on simulations alone. Toyota's prototype sedan reportedly completed a full 1,000-mile run on a closed test track using a single charge, while carrying a load comparable to a standard Camry. This was not a stripped-down test vehicle or a special efficiency run. It was designed to reflect real-world conditions. The potential impact is significant. If Toyota succeeds in scaling this technology for mass production, it could fundamentally change how electric vehicles are evaluated. Cost structures, performance expectations, and charging infrastructure would all shift. Charging stations could become smaller and faster, and highway stops could take only a few minutes. Concerns about driving range would largely fade from everyday use. The real breakthrough lies in the chemistry itself. Aluminum is non-toxic, highly recyclable, thermally stable, and does not depend on limited or geopolitically sensitive resources. This represents a major contrast to lithium-based systems and signals a possible shift in how energy storage materials are prioritized. For years, lithium has been the foundation of modern battery technology, supported by a complex global supply chain stretching from South America to Asia. That system has faced rising costs and increasing pressure. If aluminum-ion technology proves viable at scale, it could gradually reduce reliance on those existing supply networks. Between 2020 and 2023, lithium prices rose sharply,